Today on Cooked at Camp, we're going to whip up a super simple Malibu Splice in the Slushy machine. This cocktail recipe is just a snippet from a wild touring trip video exploring a little known Northern Territory park in our off-road caravan. Link to that full trip video is in the description below. Chloe's got the fire going, which is absolutely roaring now. Well done, Chloe. Mum is inside the caravan whipping a bit of cream for a cocktail. We should have had like aerosol spray cream, but Woolies online orders, you don't always get what you want, do you? You
don't always get what you want.
You're good. So we'll make do. But what are we recreating? It's a cocktail we had at the Dundee Tavern.
Yeah.
And it was Midori Splice. And as you know, Tiff's not mad about all alcohol. So I'm constantly trying to think of cocktails that are either sweet or creamy enough to satisfy her taste, and she really liked this one at Dundee Tavern, so we're going to recreate it, eh? Yep. So it was a Midori Splice type thing, and it was in a slushy machine actually, which is a bonus because we have a slushy machine. So I've got some warm lemonade. Even with warm ingredients, this thing will only take probably half an hour, 40 minutes. That's the Midori going in now. As well as the Midori, I'm also going to go a little bit of pineapple juice, and then probably the last thing that would have really made it would have been a little bit of Malibu, Tiff. And we were going to put that on the list, but we forgot. Oh, I reckon that looks pretty good, Tiffy. Oh yeah, I like that.
Nice colour.
Yeah. Looks wicked, eh? It's like acid green.
It's like acid green.
Acid green. That'll do it.
Yep.
Tiffy's whipped a little bit of cream here.
I'm going to try and pipe it though, because I want it to look sort of like whipped cream. Like,
yeah.
You know.
I'll just put it on the floor, I'll pick it up. Let's see how we go. Oh, it might work alright, Tiff.
Yeah. Look, I'm not great at this.
That's better than I was expecting.
And then we're going to drizzle on some desiccated coconut. Just like that.
Very
That's
good.
Pretty good.
Well done, Tiffy.
I'm happy with that.
Same, I like the colour. I think they look cool. Yeah, I think probably a little bit of Malibu would have been the only thing that would have, and the proper spray cream. Anyway.
I think Dundee also used coconut cream whipped.
But they've got better skills than us.
It's going to be hard to drink.
Yeah, we need straws. Found a straw?
Found a straw.
It's hard to find straws nowadays, isn't it?
If she took these from Dundee.
Yeah, don't tell them that.
That's good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
It's as good as the one we had there.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I sound surprised because occasionally these are massive flops.
No, it's yum.
Oh, okay, wicked. There you go. Give that a whirl.
Dad, the sun makes me...
Yeah, it's yum.
It wouldn't be boozy enough for you, would it?
Nah, I would go, you know,
Okay, Brodie.
I'd add some white rum to this. Some Malibu, some white rum, something like that. I'd go a bit boozier. What do? We did, it's probably got a shot and a half of Midori in it per cup, I reckon.
And that's about it.
Maybe 2 shots. Nailed it, Tiffy. Well done.